This video will help you practice common English idioms and how to use them in different situations. Common English idioms. Part 5.
Hit the sack. To go to bed.
I'm exhausted. I think it's time to hit the sack.
Once in a blue moon. Something that happens very rarely.
I only see my old friend from high school once in a blue moon.
On the same page. To be in agreement with someone.
I think we're all on the same page about the project timeline.
Steal someone's thunder. To take credit for someone else's idea or achievement.
I was going to announce the new product, but my coworker stole my thunder.
Break the ice. To start a conversation or relationship with someone.
I'm going to try to break the ice with my new neighbors by bringing them some cookies.
Butter someone up. To flatter or compliment someone to gain their favor or approval.
I'm going to butter up my boss before asking for a raise.
A dime a dozen. Very common or easily found.
Those cheap sunglasses are a dime a dozen at the mall.
Through thick and thin. To stay loyal and supportive through good times and bad.
My best friend and I have been through thick and thin together. I know I can always count on her.
The elephant in the room. A problem or issue that is obvious, but no one wants to talk about it.
Everyone knows the project is behind schedule, but no one wants to address the elephant in the room.